Tutorials tell developers how to do things. Scripts do things, and AI can generate tutorials and scripts. There should be a tight integration between them, but using them together can feel weird. Stakz.dev is a platform that brings AI, tutorials, and scripts together. Here's how it works. First, select which models will generate the tutorial. Then, write and submit the tutorial prompt. Once the tutorial is generated, if multiple models were selected, a new file will be visible for each model. User input for the tutorial can be provided via tutorial widgets or the data view. Clicking on the Run button will execute the script widget in the browser and copy the command to the clipboard, as well as put the resolved command in the integrated stakz.dev terminal. There are two ways to run the command. One option is to pull up a terminal of your choice and paste the command. The other way involves running the stakz-server, a basic file and command HTTP server, which is the bridge between stakz.dev's integrated terminal and your local machine. The server can be installed with Brew or manually downloaded for your platform from the GitHub releases page. Once installed, create an empty directory, cd into it, and run the stakz command, passing a random key as well as the execute flag. The execute flag signifies that the server should execute commands, and the key will be used as the authentication header to verify the source of the command. If omitted, a random key will be generated. Pasting the key into the integrated terminal window will allow communication between stakz.dev and the stakz server. Now the command can be run from the integrated terminal. One advantage of using the integrated terminal is being able to troubleshoot command failures with AI. Simply click the question mark icon next to the command to see AI's analysis of the command, as well as any potential remediation commands. Click Execute to execute any of the remediation commands. To edit a tutorial, click the Split Editor button to view the tutorial markdown and widgets. Any changes made to the tutorial will be updated in real time. Here we're changing two field widgets, one to a drop-down, which will show a list of possible options, and one to a JSON widget, which parses JSON as an object and adds it to the data context. As long as the stakz server is running, the changes will be auto-saved. To explicitly save as, Control or Command S can be used. When a tutorial is originally generated by AI, it is available but unmodifiable at the URL shown in the browser. To share newly written or modified tutorials, commit the stakz file to GitHub, and it will be available at the shown browse URL. Configs allow saving data values for a later use. To save a config, click the Save button next to the config field. Configs will be saved in the .stakz directory of the project. To apply a config, select it from the config dropdown. Multiple configs can be applied at once, with the most recently applied config taking precedence. With stakz.dev, writing tutorials and scripts has never been easier or smarter. With new models being added all the time, give it a shot and see what you can learn.